The best gaming earbuds do more than hold a good charge or keep their position in your ear. They need the speed to keep up with the faster paced games and connection variety to remain flexible across a range of platforms. I've had one set of earbuds or another plugged into my noggin for nearly 20 years now, with the past 4 of those years dedicated to finding the right buds for gaming. From the original wireless options all the way through to today's true wireless, and with plenty of 3.5mm connections in between, we've subjected our ears to earbuds from Apple, Beats, Sony, Sennheiser, Razer, Cambridge Audio, Roccat, one more, Samsung, and more. While they might not be as powerful as some of the best gaming headsets we've reviewed over the years, they're certainly far more versatile, portable, and subtle. Right now, the best gaming earbuds are the Razer Hammerhead Hyperspeeds for their versatility, overall speed, and slick design. However, value for money is one of the biggest factors in our rankings. With that in mind, familiarizing yourself with some of the best gaming earbuds we've reviewed is always a worthwhile endeavor. So let's get into it. Razer Hammerhead Hyperspeed, the best overall. With a low latency Bluetooth and 2.5 GHz connection, the Hammerheads are built for gaming from the ground up, and it shows. One more triple driver, the best wired. If you're after a simple wired connection, one more triple driver should be on the top of the list. You're getting fantastic audio with an inbuilt mic, easily accessible controls, and a snappy response as well. Roccat Synbuds Core, the best budget. The Synbuds Core are just under 25 to 25 pounds. The Synbuds Core are just under 25 pounds or $25, but they still offer an impressive audio quality that stands on its own 2 feet for lighter sessions and an inline microphone to boot. Turtle Beach Scout Air, the best value. The Scout Airs are a little cheaper, but offer a solid set of features and an impressive soundstage, considering their low price. Plus, you're still getting a decent battery. EPOS GTW 270 Hybrid, the best sound. If you're putting pure sound quality first, the EPOS GTW 270s are still looking good all these years later. Plus, the USB-C receiver keeps things nicely compatible as well. Razer Moray, the best for streamers. The Razer Morays impressed us with their source handling and excellent sound quality. The in-ear monitors are built for streamers, and their quality shows.